Virtual business addresses are perfect for almost any phase of your business. Whether you're just getting started, you're already online, or you're just looking for a way to start building some business credit, a virtual business address will more than likely be your best option. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Robin Love with King Robin Love. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a virtual business address in 2022. Now, if you're using iPostal or any other P.O. box, you want to ditch that method and watch this video and the steps that I'm going to be showing to move forward with your virtual business address. If you find this video to be helpful, or if you have any questions, drop a comment in the comment section and I'll get back with you. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on post notifications as well, so you can be the first to know when I drop new videos, okay? So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Here's how to get a virtual business address. All right, so there are several companies that you can use for your virtual business address, but my two top recommendations are Regis and Alliance. So that is regis.com, R-E-G-U-S, and Alliance, A-L-L-I-A-N-C-E. So I'll make sure to go ahead and drop those links in the description for this video so you don't have to worry about finding them. I just wanted to make sure to mention them in the video. So scrolling down their homepage, this is just a look at an example office space in the Regis location. So since we are looking for a virtual office, let's go ahead and select that option here. In this box below, they have some of the options or accesses that you can have with your virtual business address. You have the option to have mail handling and or mail forwarding, use of their community room, call answering services. You can also get your business phone number here, as well as access to some of their co-working spaces. So it really just depends on what your business need is, as well as which plan best suits you. So you are going to have the option to select which plan is most applicable to your current situation. So I am going to go ahead and click read more. And let's just say I've seen enough. I'm now ready to look into my options for a virtual business address with Regis. So starting out, they want me to enter in my city here. I'm going to select Chicago as a city and click search. So as you can see, they have different pricing depending on the location and where you want your business address to be. The selected location is totally up to you. I am just going to choose this first option here since I see that as the lower option on this page. When choosing your address, you can choose one that seems more attractive, one that's more accessible. It's just totally up to what you think is going to be most beneficial / convenient for your business need. Okay, so the first option here is to have just the business address. So this is for those that are looking to have a separate address for their business, as well as just keeping your personal information private. I mean, there's a lot of benefits to having a business address. I don't want to limit them to 3 specific reasons, and I don't want to try to overstate all of them. But with this specific package, it comes with mail handling and a professional address. So this is strictly just the address. Now, if you need to have a live receptionist that answers your calls, you can also access their co-working spaces as mentioned on the home page with the virtual office package. And you can have a little bit more of a business address. So you can click that learn more option just to understand what also comes with this package. But in this video, all we need is a business address. Let's go ahead and click continue with that. So here you have the option to select your agreement length or contract length. You can do either a monthly basis, which starts at about $95 a month. 6 months, which is $90 per month, all the way up to 24 months, which is $80 a month. So as you can see, the longer the agreement, the higher the discounted rate that you are going to get on your package or selection for your package within this scenario. So let's just say for regular purposes, we are a new business. We don't want to commit ourselves to a full 2-year agreement. So we're just going to go with the monthly plan and start it effective tomorrow, which is the 27th. We're going to click continue there. So at this point, you are going to create your account. Here is where you are going to enter the best email where you can be reached at as far as communication goes, where the office will let you know that you either have mail or just sending your payments and invoices. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now we've just entered in a fake or mock email just to sort of get through the process and let you all see what this will look like. So we are going to just enter in any sort of information here just to get through it. Company name can be BNW. We own 4620 North Wallace. That's just a mock address there. Right, so now we've gotten through that. One of the things I wanted to show you was some additional costs that you may not be anticipating, but it's going to be there. So since this is nearly the end of the month, you are going to be charged the remaining prorated rate or prorated amount for that month. So that is what you'll see here, as well as your activation fee, which is just their standard fee in order for them to even allow you to use the address, which is so your total today is going to be $111.67. Now I want to go ahead and state in advance that you will be billed again on May 1st, since this is only covering the remaining days in April. And once you are billed on May 1st, Regis does bill 30 days in advance. So I just want you to be prepared for those expenses, because if you are paying for June, you'll more than likely pay for May and June at the same time. At least I know that was my experience. So I just want to be as open and transparent about that as possible. So once we are okay or have confirmed that we are okay with the prices, you'll then click I am not a robot, select the reCAPTCHA option. The next page is going to take you to enter in your credit card and or bank account information to make the payment. And after that, you'll officially have a virtual business address. All right, and that is how you get a virtual business address for your business. Remember, virtual addresses are great for those who have an e-commerce business and don't want to use their personal addresses. It's great for entrepreneurs who need to build business credit, as well as those who just want to separate themselves from their business. Now, if you have any questions, like I said, go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section. I'll make sure to get back to you and try to answer as many as possible. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button for me, and don't forget to turn on post notifications as well. I'll see you guys next time.